Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you, and I know what you are thinking. You might thinking what crap market this is. Yesterday it was down by more than 200. I'm talking about Nifty. It was more than down by more than 100 200 points. Banknifty was down by 500 points, and Sensex was down by around 600 points. And tomorrow we are going to see a gap up, right? So this is a problem of local holiday. In fact, we had position, and our people had position, which I told to square off in the last minute, and some people were saying that they were not able to square off the position. So whoever had not squared off the position will be in good profit, and they are going to see going to see a gap up day after tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. I'm talking in the perspective of an expiry day trader, because tomorrow there is no expiry. Since this is last week of October series, Banknifty expiry will happen on Thursday. Otherwise, it will happen on Wednesday. So tomorrow is not going to be any expiry, and Thursday we are going to have two expiries, which is going to be Nifty and Banknifty expiry, right? So what is happening in terms of market? Market is already a crap market, and if you see, this is GIF Nifty, it is showing green. It is almost showing 19,300, and US markets are all in the green, right? As I talk to you, Dow Jones is up by 174 points, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is up, and time is almost 7:15. Another half an hour for US markets to open. And not only that, even S&P, German, France, and even London Stock Exchange, everything is in the green, right? Now this is a problem in terms of local holiday. As I told you, this is a problem of local holiday. When you have local holiday, you tend to see these kinds of gap ups and gap downs, right? Anyway, even if we are not having any local holiday, we find it very hard to trade in Nifty and Banknifty, or for that matter even Sensex or any other strategy. And do you know since when this problem started? Since this September series, since the start of September series, we are seeing lots of fluctuations or market moving, making two-way, three-way move. The main reason is daily expiries. And you know how these people are fragile, right? Retail peoples are fragile, and these institutions are selfish. You know, this NSE and BSE are working, or they are working in sync, or they are working in coordination, so that they want people to trade in expiry day trades, right? So that you can bring in the whole money. You know that expiry day trades are quick money, and we really don't know when, for how many days it is going to last, whether it is going to last for 2 months or 3 months. And in terms of expiry day trades, we are posting our P&L, and let me tell you, for the last 45 days, tentatively around 2 months of expiry day trading, we have made a profit of around 25% ROI return, right? And if you exclude the charges, of course, I just have to pay Zebu charges, transaction charges, SGST, IGST, or state government, state GST, central GST, and some transaction charges. I don't have to pay brokerage, since I'm a broker itself. And if you calculate all these charges, it works out to be around 25%. So this is how the markets are, and we are into expiry day trades, and I'm sure we will come out with an P&L report where we will show our P&L, what is our profit, what is our loss, what we have done for the last 42 days or 2 months of trading session, right? So 45 days we have made 25%, means you can calculate, you can do the math, and you can see how much we can make in terms of full year of expiry day trades, right? So expiry day trades are very useful and very efficient, and not efficient, I wouldn't say, very it's like a quick money. But one thing I want to tell you is that expiry day trades are almost like gambling, right? You have to gamble like anything, and you will have to have sufficient fund. So people ask me, who is can everybody come and do trading in expiry day? And the answer is no, you cannot trade. Everyone cannot trade. Let's assume you are a person who is a house you are a housemaker, or let's say you are a person businessman, or let's say you are a manager of some IT company, and you want to trade, you want to make full-time expiry day trades. That's not going to happen. And you know why I'm saying it is not going to happen is because expiry day trades are so frustrating, it is so stressful, it is capital intensive. So it is going to be very hard for expiry day traders to be an expiry day trader. It is going to be very hard. See, I'm not trying to discourage you, or I'm not trying to demotivate you, but the fact I'm saying is that it is going to be very stressful, and there is no guarantee that you are going to make money. Whatever I am saying now, I told that I made 25% in 2 months, let's say net profit was around 18 or 19%. So if you ask me, is this going to continue? Is this going to continue for another 2 years or 3 years, or let's say for 6 months? We really don't know, because the market dynamics are changing each and every day. Now, if you see for 2 or 3 months back, positional trades were working. Now it is not working, right? Likewise, if you see a few years back, pre-COVID, you do a straddle, you do a strangle, and 90% of the time it is going to work, and you will end up in profit. But that is not the case now, right? Now, if you do a straddle and strangle, the probability of winning is very, very less. Whether we are winning or not, whether it is going to close between our break even or not, we tend to do some more adjustment, and we tend to do lots of things, and we try the most to screw up those strategies and make adjustment. And once we make the adjustment, markets tend to reverse, and I can observe 90% of the time you do the adjustment and immediately market will reverse. You can let me know if this is happening or not on the comment section below. And this is the scenario, this is the case for 80% or even 90% of the people, right? So this is how the markets are now. We really don't know how it is going to work out in the future. For now, I can tell you, or my outlook or my perspective about the market is, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty, I don't see Banknifty going to 22,200, or I don't see Banknifty touching lifetime highs, or Sensex touching lifetime high. Maybe this is a knee-jerk reaction, but I can tell you one thing, that 19,200 in terms of Nifty is a very, very strong support. And if you see our yesterday's video, that we told that this support should be sustained, and if this support is taken out, which is 19,400, we are going to be in trouble. And I have drawn some support lines also in Nifty and Banknifty as well. So trade cautiously. I hope there is going to be a gap up tomorrow. Let us see how things pan out. For now, I will end this video here. Nothing much to talk. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.